Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an khubor bam ta kasngi. Hadien saus nem ka jingbam dan Jingiateh Ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Kalarvi Sumarbiang ya ki Jingelang barka Achik National Volunteers Council ANVC ka Jingelang ka bakhadu kala long house nem arajar arpwe. Badminta kasngi Ka Sorkar MDA lingba katnat kampo ying kalalum ya ka Jingelang ha conference room jong ka secretariat hapo ka Jingelam usimbut menteri rangba ba press tun Tynsong ubri menteri kampo ying. Ha ka Jingelang la Don Lang ka Director General of Police kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IAS bat ki he pulin. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Kubor hadin ka Jingelang uba Preston Tynsong ulapan pau ba ka Jing penyat ya ka skim yaram kanlong da ka Jingerap lang jong Ka Sorkar pedeng bat Ka Sorkar jela. Ulo ongru ba san pau la ne riu pau pesen jong ki jingkular hapo ka Jingiateh Pisa la dep ban pendem henry hadu sau pau pesen dangsa. Ki jinge ki don namar baki katu kat ne ki benta ki don kam jing pen kala ha kariti sensyar. Tad hadu bagane kanong ha parlimen om pat la ban kit no lun ya ki kamram bat ki subject syakibor sensyar la ong utensang. Ula pensyai ru baga Jingiateh Pisa kabatai syai badai ban penklan syusyu ya ke district council Hagaru Hills. Ka council ka day ban yo no ya ga jingkit kli ka bakham kya ban penne pensa iki hok jong ki riulum bad kinong shong shnong ka Garu Hills. Namar kata ngidon kam ki subject bathamai bar kata kanong tang hadien ba ka riti sensyar lapen kala uloong. Na ka benta ka jingyat syaprang uba Tynsong ula pentim ba Ka Sorkar jela kantung no ya uwei nodal officer ubri ban pet kerpang ya ka Jingiateh Pisa bar ka ANVC. Utay officer unya trailang bat kitnat bapher bat ru bat kitu khot ka ANVC da kabayatai syapang manna ka close ban pentikna bagi jinge baro ken penbet ulaong. Ula pen pauru bagane ga kam kalong ka beslem berkibabun jingelang kendang long syu ngila menjur bayakini ki jingelang on pelong kam penkut manna ka lai benai. Lada don kam ngihap ban up bat yo iswa handringin yai beteng ya ke Jingiateh hadu bagi benta baro jong ka agreement kin pendem la pensyai uba Tynsong.
What I'm saying, they are so happy. The meeting we had today, it's very constructive, and for that you can also ask them. They will tell you exactly what was the meeting went on.
But what was the reason for the delay?
That's what I'm saying. They are so happy. The meeting we had today, it's very constructive, and for that you can also ask them. They will tell you exactly what was the meeting went on.
But what was the reason for the delay in meeting them?
Sorry.
What was the reason for the delay in meeting
No,
them?
you see, because there are three levels meeting. First is the level from the Government of India, MHA, headed by the Joint Secretary, and then number two is state government, and then the state government always headed by Chief Minister, and next is third is District Council meeting. From this council it comes to the state, and from the state it goes to the Ministry of Home Affairs. So we have 3 layers meeting. So you understand sometimes it gets delayed, maybe from the ministry itself, from the central government itself, because it depends on the convenience of the Joint Secretary or the officers authorized by the Ministry of Home Affairs. So that's why, way back in 2021, I think the last meeting had was 2021 with the Joint Secretary of the Government of India. No such regrouping. As far as packages is concerned, we have already complied and we have already cleared whatever entitlement.
Who is the nodal officer to head it?
That's what I'm saying. We are going to notify. Then you will know. All were cleared. All were cleared.
What about the drop?
Out of 100, if I'm not mistaken, 122 or 23, I think it's about around 60 to 62 numbers has been cleared, and then there is, as you know, because the court takes its own course of action, so the rest will also be cleared in due course of time.
So in terms of
The detail was already flagged off, I think, long time back. You knew it. So each, in fact, each members they're supposed to get 1,50,000 that time. Okay, 1,50,000, and that has been done. That has been cleared. Again, for 6 months, they need to get each of them 3,500. That also has been cleared. I think that tax agreement is more or less 95% is development. Okay, it is development. So with development, I am very sure this kind of thinking will no longer be there.
So how many members of
ANVC is about 500 something. Like I think you must be having those numbers. It's already there long time.
No,
the
presently how many members?
No, presently it means the same one only. Because this is only the meeting. So the detail, the numbers was already there at that point of time. So that numbers
I mean,
does
some
not
may have,
increase. The same numbers only.
I mean, some may have died in the last.
Sorry?
Some may have passed away in the last 10, 12.
Any update on
Yeah. That was, some of them may have passed away. Yeah, of course.
And
There's no question with that.
So one you are saying is the amendment, pending
Yeah.
amendment. So how long it will take?
See, that too, it lies with the government of India as well as in the parliament. Because they have already introduced in the Rajya Sabha. I think I've already explained in the House. They have already introduced in the Rajya Sabha. And then the Rajya Sabha has already referred to the parliamentary standing committee. And then recently, I think the parliamentary standing committee has already recommended to the Ministry of Home Affairs. So now it's lying there. So let us see, and we will again pursue aggressively that the amendment should be passed by the parliament. With the state, yes, partly it will come from the central government, and then partly will be from state fund only.
sir, one query.
We have hurdle because until unless the amendment is passed, because it links to the Constitution of India. See, like the subject. If you talk about the subject, means amendment has to be there. These are the subject. In addition to whatever sixth schedule is being followed, again we need additional subject for this council. So therefore, this has to be amended in the parliament.
But
I would like to inform to all of you that today the government has again called a meeting with all the members from ANVC and ANVCB, along with all the senior officers, right from the Honorable Chief Secretary, DGP, and the senior officers of the tax settlement signed between the ANVC, state government, as well as central government way back in 2014. So we discussed clause by clause, line by line, of those issues flagged off in the text agreement, and mostly, I would say, the agreement made was already made or already completed, but of course some of them which is on the way, which is yet to reach up to the full text of the agreement, and some of them we cannot take any decision unless the 125th amendment in the Constitution of India is passed by the Parliament, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So those issues we could not discuss much. But all small issues, as I said to you, be it the packages provided to the surrenderies, to the members of the ANVC and ANVCB, that has been also completed. And now, briefly, I would like to just tell you that few issues like the subject of developmental activities, like construction of road, and then improvement and preservation of forest, and even in arts and culture department we have so many projects in the form of auditorium, in the form of library, in the form of cultural centers. We have discussed all these issues, and as I said to you, at least not less than 50 to 60% of this aspiration of this very text is already met. Even the members of the NVC and NCB, still of course few areas they are still not satisfied, but in the meeting today we have decided that we will closely monitor, we will closely see that those subjects signed and mentioned in the tax settlement has to be fully complied by the state government. So today, as I said to you, the members of the NBC, now they requested the government to have one dedicated nodal officer, because see, all the way they have to come down to Shillong. Even if you have so many meetings, it seems it's difficult for them to make things easier, to make things simpler in achieving this agreement, this tax agreement. So we have decided from the government side that we will appoint one dedicated officer in the name of nodal officer, who will coordinate between the members of the ANVC and the state government, and also with the different department, be it with the district council or be it with the different department located in Garo Hills. This will be taken care of by the nodal officer, and they are so happy because this decision has been taken, and we are going to notify one nodal officer under the supervision of the commissioner, development commissioner in the state of Meghalaya. So these are the issues where we discussed today with the members of this text. This is a very long process. So I already told them also that we agree that at least quarterly we will have this meeting. If need be, we will have maybe quarterly if need be, because now let us wait and let us see first, because we never appointed a specific nodal officer, but this time I told you we are going to appoint, to engage one nodal officer to deal with this text agreement point by point and then clause by clause, and what are the issues, whether it is with the department A or B or C, or whether it is with the district council. All those issues will be taken care of by the nodal officer, who will meet the members regularly stationed in Tura.
Sir, whether it will be
Once the official come out, you will be able to know. Itself, we have already sent this resignation letter to the Honorable Governor, and we have already recommended the Honorable Governor to allow the CM who resigned to also be a caretaker till the full-fledged CM election is held. So the notification has come out today.
You are putting up any candidate?
Sorry,
Party?
I'm not a member of the district.
NPP.
Sorry.
NPP putting up any?
The question of only NPP does not arise. So let them, because we are together in the opposition. So I think this issue you can discuss with the leader of the opposition of the discourse.
When is this election?
Sorry?
When is this election going to be held?
That also depending upon the chairman. He has to propose us. Then only we will approve the date.
Would the governor have been approved?
Sorry?
Governor have been approved
For what?
for that the CEM elect.
Yeah, that notification has come out today. Nila ada permi ia ka notification bala accept ia ka resignation tanpa undang continue ku caretaker CM namar hap bandon u caretaker CM hadu ba ka election CM kan ku